So if pursuing your YouTube dream while still being in school and managing your busy schedule is of interest to you, then hit the like button, subscribe for similar videos, and let's get right into it. Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Ruben, and today I'm going to be giving you guys 4 tips on how to do YouTube while being in school. I recently finished my college spring semester with straight A's and even made the dean's list, all while posting on YouTube. I'm currently doing my college summer classes, so I'm still practicing these same tips that I'm going to be giving you all. Number 1, think of video ideas and jot them down with supporting ideas during any free time. By doing this, it will make it easier on you once you're ready to start a new YouTube video. You will spend less time wondering what to make and say because you will already have a lot of those points written down. So not only will it save you a lot of time, but it'll allow you to post more often and more frequently, which is, as you know, really important when it comes to the YouTube algorithm. Me personally, I would do this while waiting for another class to start. If I thought something was interesting, I would write it down in my notes app. If I thought of a YouTube video idea, I would write it down in there. And then throughout the day, I would think of other things that I can use for that same video and just write them right underneath it. And I'll have those bullet points ready to go for when I'm ready to start that actual video. By doing that on your free time, it gives you more time to focus on your actual video once you're ready to make it. So tip number 2. Manage your time. As a lot of you will know, you need to spend a lot of time making thumbnails, doing the editing, adding descriptions, or doing research. The point is, it takes a lot of time to make a high quality video. So this means that anytime you're doing homework, put your phone on silent mode. Your phone is the biggest distraction to you, I know from experience. So if you put it on silent mode and put it away, put it on the bed and just stay at your desk, don't worry about it, you'll see that you're going to be more productive with that time and you're going to finish your homework a lot quicker. So yes, because you're in school, you're obviously going to have homework. So I suggest doing that and then focus on finishing your homework as quickly as possible so that you can maximize your time with your videos. And yes, maybe this is going to mean no more watching Netflix or going out as often, but that's a sacrifice that you have to make when you're wanting to do YouTube and do school at the same time. And that's exactly what I do myself. I finish all my homework and I immediately start working on my YouTube videos. Now, I'm not saying you have to be antisocial because you don't. You really don't. I still talk to my friends and text my girlfriend all day and hang out with her during the week, all while doing YouTube and getting straight A's in school. So the key is just don't be wasting your time watching TikTok for hours or scrolling through Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, or even YouTube. That is, of course, unless you're doing research for your videos. With a busy schedule, managing your time and maximizing your free time is the most important aspect if you really want to achieve YouTube and school at the same time. So this leads me perfectly into my tip number 3. Use Tubebuddy. To save you time on what videos are worth making or targeting, use Tubebuddy. I will have the link to Tubebuddy down in the description for you to download. But Tubebuddy has seriously been an amazing tool that I have been using for the last 2 months, and it has immediately made an impact in my videos. Since using Tubebuddy, my channel has actually seen a spike in viewership. But basically what Tubebuddy is, it's a free Google Chrome plugin that helps you optimize your videos and gives you the best chance of getting views on those videos that you work so hard on. And although it is free to download, it does have different tier memberships that you can actually pay for. I personally have upgraded from the free version to the first tier version, which is the pro version, which I highly recommend because it has saved me so much time that I could have wasted. And for only $9 a month, that's an incredible deal because not only if you click the link in the description, if you go to tubebuddy.com/onlyruben or use the code onlyruben at checkout, you'll get 20% off whichever tier you purchase. So that would end up being only $7.20 per month if you get the pro version. So with Tubebuddy, you have the option to search keywords and they tell you how often they're searched for on YouTube and how competitive that search term is and whether it is a smart decision to actually make a specific video on that topic. Doing this before making a video will tell you what videos are worth focusing on because they will have the best chance of being viewed. Now that's what you get with the free version, but with the pro version, it goes more in depth. It correlates directly to your YouTube channel along with other amazing features, which is the SEO optimization, which helps you maximize the possibility of that video getting recommended to people. It takes you step by step on what to do with your thumbnail, description, and tags so that your video will have the best chance of actually being viewed and being recommended. So seriously, this tool is amazing for getting the most out of your YouTube videos, especially when you're on a busy schedule. And I'm a huge fan of it along with so many other big YouTubers. And I really wish that I had known about this earlier in my YouTube journey because it would have saved me so much time on making pointless videos. So I highly recommend that you guys check it out and download it, even if it's just for the free version. I promise you that it's going to make a huge difference in how you manage your time and how good your videos do. So as I said, I will leave the link in the description for you guys to download it, the free version. but I do highly recommend the Pro version as it gives you so many cool features to help your channel out. And my last and final tip, number 4, film 2 videos at a time and then edit them during the week. By doing this, you won't have to worry about getting ready and setting everything up every time you're about to film a new video. Because when you're doing that, you're wasting a lot of time that could be put into editing or figuring out what thumbnail you want to use, doing the research, and just things that are much more important than setting up yourself and your area. Seriously, just change your shirt and nobody will even know that you recorded those videos at the same time. Because as I said before, we want to maximize our time and manage our time wisely so that we're being productive with any free time that we're given. So I highly recommend that you guys try this. And when you do, you will see that you're actually able to put out videos more frequently than if you record and edit one video at a time. I must say though, I would not recommend to record more than 5 videos at a time though, because you want to be looking at how your videos are doing once they are posted, and you want to make sure that you're making adjustments to your next videos so that if a posted video has a specific issue that was brought to your attention, you won't have a lot of other videos with that same issue. Anyways, that is all I have for you today. If these tips helped you in any way, I would really appreciate it if you dropped a like on the video and subscribe for more videos on how you could grow your YouTube channel. Comment down below if you have any questions or would like me to go more in depth on any of these points. If not, let me know some things that you have implemented to help you do both YouTube and school. But anyways, I hope you all have enjoyed, and as always, this was Ruben, and I'll talk to you all later.